In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your printer not being found on Windows 11. If you're like many others who have faced this frustrating problem, don't worry. We're going to walk through the steps in a detailed and straightforward way to get your printer back up and running. First, we'll start by running the Printer Troubleshooter, which is a handy built-in feature in Windows 11 designed to automatically detect and resolve common printer issues. To begin, press the Windows key along with the I key on your keyboard to open the Settings menu quickly. Once the Settings window appears, head over to the System section. From there, navigate to Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll see a list of troubleshooting options. Find Printer and click on the Run button next to it. The troubleshooter will scan for any issues with your printer setup and suggest fixes. Make sure you apply any fixes that are suggested. This is often the quickest way to resolve many common printer problems without delving deeper into more complex solutions. If the Printer Troubleshooter doesn't resolve your issue, the next step is to add the printer manually. Start again by opening the Settings menu. This time, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and then click on Printers and Scanners. You'll see an option to add device. Click on this to start searching for available printers. If your printer does not appear in the list, you'll need to select Add Manually. Don't worry if you have to take this route. Windows 11 provides a simple set of on-screen instructions to guide you through the process. Depending on your printer model and connection type, you may need to enter certain details like the printer's IP address or choose a specific printer model from a list. Be sure to follow each step carefully and enter any requested information accurately to ensure a successful setup. A quick tip during this process is to make sure your printer is turned on and properly connected either to your Wi-Fi network or directly to your computer, depending on the setup method you're using. Sometimes, simply ensuring that cables or network connections are secure can resolve connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your printer not being found on Windows 11. Remember, technology can sometimes be a bit tricky, but with patience and a systematic approach, you'll often find a solution. As always, feel free to revisit the settings and double-check your connections if anything seems off. I hope this guide helps, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in getting your printer back online.